Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes Fanboy. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing these AirPods Pro 2. Now, these are my dad's. These are for my dad, and yes, I did tell him about the noise crackling issue, where basically if you're in a super loud environment and you have an active noise cancellation or transparency on, they will crackle extremely loud. They will crackle, and then the audio will get separated, so it'll hear like that. But let's take a look at the box first. Obviously, you get your AirPods, just basic information, AirPods Pro, etc. On here, you get AirPods Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging case, in which I'm assuming that it says the same thing in English, Spanish, French, Italian. This fourth language is probably Portuguese. Don't quote me on that, though. And I'm assuming this is Chinese. And as you can tell, unlike the AirPods 3, which are assembled in Vietnam, these are assembled in China. Yes, I do find that interesting. That stuff interesting. So let's just take these paper seals off. Come on. Now, a cool thing about these is that you can use Apple Watch pucks to charge them now, too. So, come on. AirPods open. Okay, so now we get our Designed by Apple in California manual, just instructions and boring information that nobody needs. Except for lawyers, maybe. We'll just get this back in the box. Come on, go back in. And of course there's no Apple stickers because nowadays they only include one Apple sticker in iPhones anyways, and because AirPods Pro are technically an accessory and not a mainstream product at all. Gee, I strongly disagree with that. They don't come with Apple stickers, but here, as you can tell, we get the AirPods. We'll set to the side. If you lift this up, you get your different ear tips and your charging cable. Okay, so I'll just set that. I'll let you aside. And then we shall unwrap the actual AirPods now, where you can see the new keychain attachment alongside the new speaker for the Find My case, a new external microphone, new opening AirPods. Oh wow, I forgot how nice brand new AirPods are to open. So now, as always, thank you all for watching this video, and as always, peace out.